my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine, and voila, it's a spring. Isn't that exciting? Yes, the weather is changing and we are all crafting. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just click that button and subscribe and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. In today's video, it's a video response to the 7K subby challenge hosted by the Paper Treasury here in YouTube. And Ara required for us to send her 2 bows, either handmade or store-bought, and for an extra entry, a baggie of confetti. So I am going to flip my camera so you can see what I am sending to Ara from the Paper Treasury. I will be right back. So I am back, and I am going to show you today my entry for the Paper Treasury. Ara, she has a challenge. I am going to list her video in the description box below. And it's a wonderful challenge. I had so much fun putting this together. So her challenge required to make 2 handmade bows or store-bought bows. So what I put together was these bows. I used the Alina Craft bow die with the hearts, and also I used some paper from a Studio Calico, and this back, it's vellum from Maggie Holmes, and it turned out really cute. And in the center I put some tulle, and here is a tissue paper embellishment that I bought last year at Hobby Lobby. So I think it looks really cute, these bows. And then the back topper, I want to keep things simple since the bows are already, to me, like quite elaborated. So I cut one of the watercolor papers, and I received this bow from one of my pen pals last year, and I had been hoarding the bows. So I said, you know, why don't share the love, right? So this is hot pink, and I know that Ara loves hot pink. And in the center, the bow had like a golden stripe here, and I know that Ara said no golden bows please. So what I did was I glue a fabric flower and a resin flower to cover the golden part of the bow, and it comes with a mini tag. No sentiment, nothing, just quite plain. And here's the 2 bows. And for an extra entry, she also required for us to make a confetti bag. So I do not have that many confetti, so all this confetti that you see Ara here, I punch tissue paper. So it was like a labor of love, punch tissue paper. And what I did, I used the watercolor paper, and I also punched some of the bows here, which are inside, and just didn't want to glue anything because here she can open the baggie. And this is a Heidi Swap hot pink bullnose clip. And for extra, I received this bow hot pink again in one of my swaps last year. And I decided just to glue this quite like tulle and flat pearl embelly on top of the bow, and it made really a cute bow. And this is not paper, this is like that specialty I guess paper from Hobby Lobby, but this was gifted to me, so I'm passing this along. And just giving her some goodies here. And this is my entry for the challenge hosted by Ara from the Paper Treasury. I am going to leave the link of her video in the description box below. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to subscribe, just click the button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.